Hi there, welcome to Kneppy Invest, and welcome to the chart of the day inspired by JustJamesDean. In fact, I was going to have APE as the chart of the day until I saw this particular comment from JustJamesDean. Sol Pattinson, WH Sol Pattinson, or Washington H Sol Pattinson, hit resistance and immediately pulled back. Third time this year, so damn annoying. Now, WH Sol Pattinson, I'll just call it Sol Pats from now on, is the sort of company you might want to own for the long term. It's not up to me, it's up to you. The reason I say that is if you have a look at the long-term chart for this particular company, have a look at the weekly chart, this has the hallmarks of a high-quality company. The reason I say that is if you go back through time and just have a look at this 23-year period, share price has gone from the bottom left to top right. This is a sign of a high-quality company. Now, I don't have to know anything about the WH Sol Pattinson, Sol Pats, to know that there's probably some high qualityness to this particular company without even knowing anything about it, just by looking at the chart. I'm pretty sure this company has increased their dividends for 20 odd years or something like that. Okay, so what is JustJamesDean talking about? In fact, we can see it on the weekly chart right now. If we zoom in, we can see the share price of Sol Pats getting up to $36, not $3. I wish it was $3. $36 back in September of 2023, and then it pulled back. It got up to $36 back in March 2024, and then it pulled back. Got up to $36 in July of 2024, and then it pulled back. And in the past week, it got up to $36 again, and it looks like it is pulling back. We are seeing a little bit of selling. So that is what we define as a resistance level. The share price is having trouble getting above that level. It could be because of psychology of the market. So maybe there was a little bit of selling back in September last year, so share price pulled back. And when it failed to get through that level back in March, investors or traders went, well, $36 is resistance level for this company. So when it gets back up to $36, I am going to sell. So we see increased selling pressure on Sol Pats at that particular price. And the longer that remains a resistance level, when the share price eventually breaks out, and I can almost guarantee you the share price will break out eventually for this company, that's the time to maybe make a trade or take a trade in this company, or maybe even take a position. In fact, if your share price drops to say $30, take a position then. It's up to you. But I'm just talking about the chart in this instance. That $36 is a resistance level, and when it breaks above that level, I think that could be a nice little breakout for this company. Anyway, that's all I have for the chart of the day. Sol Pattinson, or WH Sol Pattinson, Sol Pats, whatever you want to call it. Share price is having trouble getting above $36, and when it does, all bets are off. Share price might go on a beautiful run after that. Okay, so if you have any questions, any thoughts, leave those in the comment section of this video. Otherwise, I am not a financial advisor. If you need financial advice, make sure you seek out someone who is qualified and can speak to your own financial needs. That's it for this video. Have a good day. Bye.